lovelies, good morning beautiful, welcome back to my channel, Indulge with Dimples. Which side is the best side? Anywho, doesn't matter, don't care. I want to let y'all know today we're going to do a vision board, a dream board, success to the future. Yeah, so we're going to do a dream board, a vision board, and I'm going to tell you about everything that we need because I'm about to go to the store, I'm about to go to church, and we're going to get this weekend started, or this week started really great. The vision board, I'm going to tell you right now, you need to focus on 5 things. 5 things to make sure this vision board works. This vision board is going to really work. I just want you to know that you're going to focus on 5 things. You're not going to overcrowd your board, clutter it. And you're going to think about things that you can do for the next 2-3 years. I want to put it out 2 to 3 years. I don't want to go 10, 12 years. 2 to 3 years, step by step. Short goals. Short goals leads to long goals. And you can be dedicated to. So today, vision board, and then we're going to talk about how we're going to be inspirational, inspiring. Do not let no one tell you can't do anything that you don't or can't do, and you're going to be the best you can be in life. So that being said, we're going to have a great week starting off Sunday, and we're going to keep this going, keep motivating, and in the next clip you're going to see my vision board and we're going to work on it together. Okay, till next time, tune in, stay tuned. How are you doing? I'm doing great. You see, I'm doing great. Are you doing great? I hope you're doing great. All right. Green highlighter board I have. You can get it from your local school supply store, or Walmart, Target, the dollar store. Got mine from the dollar store. Next thing you're going to need some magazines, which I have over here. I have Vanity, Good Housekeeping, Essence, and you know that good old Oprah. You gotta have good old Oprah. If you don't read good old Oprah, you're missing out on some things. I got 2 sticks of glue right there for you. I have a ghetto ruler because I need a ruler to cut my stuff out. I have some scissors, crayons, a pencil, and some markers. And then I went ahead and looked through the magazines that I wanted to look through, and I actually collected some articles, things that I want to put on my board and such. Okay, oh, look at that black love right there. So just some knickknacks that I picked out of the magazine that I tore. So you're gonna have to do that as well. But I want to tell you, there are 5 steps to the guide of an unlimited vision board. 1, decide on a single goal. So on my board, I have about 4 goals. I'm going to put them together and I'm going to show you at the end. Also, you need to collect relevant pictures, which I have done because I have the magazines, I have the vision and the goal that I want to accomplish this year, and I have torn out the magazine. Make a collage. That's what I'm going to be doing. You're going to see me make a collage in about a minute or so after I get done talking. Add some words. Words that are motivating, powerful, that will have positive effects on you. So pretty much affirmations that you really need to put on the board, because you're going to look at this board daily. Which goes into the next step. Use it daily. You're making this board for a reason. The reason is you want to accomplish some things off this board. Anything that you do, you want to accomplish something. When you write it down, you plan a guide, agenda, journey. You want to accomplish these things. So make sure you use your board daily, because if you use your board daily, it's like an affirmation. It's going to help you succeed in life. So a little less talking right now. I'm going to show you what I do with my board. Let's get to it. On there. I want you to see my middle of the board, really what it's gradually towards, all that good stuff. So yeah. Oh yeah. So the board is popping. Alright, so that's cool. I'm going to lay it down and just go over everything on the board, because simply I made sure I did and I focused on a couple things that I want to work on, which you should do as well. But in this board, it's popping and it's organized and it's neat and clear. And I also went ahead and did a little advance and put some affirmations on there that I really want to cover. And every time I look at this board, I know what that goal is, what I need to be doing, and I can stick to it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so this is my vision board, and I actually completed the vision board. Oop, I show no information. And on the vision board, I went a little farther to say this is going to be a 3-year plan of what I want to do, because things just don't come overnight. And I found some good things that I like about my vision board. Like, I started going places and I have a full plate. And then from there, it has my sign, which I'm a Capricorn. I'm December the 23rd. So Capricorn start December the 22nd to January the 19th. And on here it says don't hesitate. And it says you're pumped to make your major decisions that could change the course of your life for years to come. Implement money savage plans to support these new visions. Which, as you can see, I go over to the side. Money savage plans. I have wrote down some little things that I want to do so I can remember everything. So for my money vision, it says work harder in improving your career goals. Find your inner happiness to succeed, for success, for your future, and your dream job. Save for the future goals. And it says don't miss a step. Then I go down just saying I want to do some improvements on my home, pretty much. And it says patience and time will be able to make major home improvements. Stress free, no worries. Then I go down here because I have a treadmill. I'm trying to get healthy, work out. So it says run, laugh, win. Health will be the change to new experiences. Find your inner runner and enjoy life. Then over here, after I find my inner joy, my mind and body, I just want to work on over. And pretty much, I want to travel. I want that new car. Not that actual car, but a new car. And pretty much what I wrote right there was explore the world with no regrets. Take advantage of traveling, sightseeing, pretty much. And then, come on up. I found me some black love stuff. What are you seeing? So I love the black love. And it says, let love be a new experience. Love, learn, live. And then I found this little quote about relationship goals, and I liked it, so I put it on there. You know, I want some black love, so I'm gonna work on my black love and my black man and all that good stuff. But pretty much this is my vision board, my dream board, my goal board of what I want to do, and I'm gonna make it happen. step, and I'm going to get there, and that's what it is. So hopefully you guys see it, you make you one, you understand what this board is pretty much about, and you won't get sidetracked with your goals and responsibilities, what you want to do in the future.